Hi everybody. Welcome to the Getting Started Moneyline video, as you see right here in the middle of the screen. But hey, first of all, thank you so much for joining the team at Moneyline. We welcome you. We're pumped to have you on the team with our opportunity and our product, which is the most valuable product on the internet today by far, and that's part of what I'm going to show you here in this video. Before I do, let me give you a little intro here of what we're going to do on this video. I'm going to show you the buttons here. I'm going to show you around the site a little bit. But first, before we do that, okay, because I want to keep this video short, we want to show you how to set up your link. If you didn't do that when you first logged in before you even get to this video, some people skip by that, make sure you set up your link right here, okay? And you can do that by going over here and clicking on Account Info, and then you click on Account Info Update, and you can go right down here to your username, and you type in a username, pick one. Okay, and that will automatically be inserted into, this is your personal URL. Now, as you can see, this is a demo account. It's a fake account just for this video purpose, okay? It's a Diamond Independent representative. We'll get into all that stuff later. But make sure you get your user URL set up, because that's very important to have that personalized. You'll have much more success with Moneyline if you decide to market its product. All right, let's go back to the dashboard here and show you what's on the dashboard up front. The first thing I want to do is show you the product. Let's get right to the point of where the product's at. See right here where it says your Moneyline? That's where the product's at. But before I go into that, okay, because I don't want to distract you on the screen here, let's talk about what is the product. The product is a list builder. Have you ever heard the phrase, no money equals no list? In other words, if you don't have a list on the internet today, you're not making money. It's that simple. I mean, if you do not have a list, you're not making money. It's all about the data, okay? And this is global. As you can see, all the people scrolling across the screen here who have recently joined. You'll see the joinee starting over here. There are people joining from all around the world literally every minute into Moneyline, okay? Give or take. You know, sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower. But I mean, from all around the world, data, that is so valuable. And as you just saw, you joined for free and you have access to them, okay? Builds a list, traffic. I don't care if you're marketing something online or you're even in the political world and you're trying to reach out politically or religiously. I mean, you name it, okay? Moneyline has it out there for the data and the list building services. To give you a quick example, look at the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl is $5.5 million for 30 seconds to get in front of 111 million people this year. You're getting in front of soon-to-be millions of people for free. Then it all boils down to how fast do you want to access those people, and that's where the subscriptions come in that we'll talk about here in a little bit. So let's go into your Moneyline. To access your product, please note, go right here and click on Moneyline. We're going to focus on this button and this personal list right here in this video. So I'm clicking on your Moneyline. You see the silver ads come up here, which I'm going to click on David over here to give you an example. Okay, here's how it works. You see this here right in the middle here? It says your Moneyline. These are all people that have signed up after you from around the world. Okay, and you have access to all of these people from around the world by putting a message in right here. You can type in a 150 character message. You can put in your link right here. Of course, if you're Diamond, all right, and you can put a link in here and send a message out. Now, because this is a Diamond account, this one can access up to 500 at a time. So I put my message in here, my link, I click this little send all button, and I click send message. That's going to send a message out to 500 at a time. Now, of course, if you're free like you are right now, you just signed up, you can only access one at a time, okay? And as you move up in the subscriptions, you can access people faster, and we'll go into that later. But when you send a message out over here to people from all around the world, they show up right over here. See where it says messages from uplines? These are all people over here that have sent a message to you that are above you. Because remember in the money line, it says money line, hurry, get in line. You have access to everybody who joins after you. Not before you, but after you. That's why it's so imperative that you get your link out to as many people as you can that you care about as fast as you can to get at least signed up for free so they get their spot in the money line. That real estate, that spot, that real estate is extremely valuable. Even if you're not going to use it for 6 months, 8 months from now, get your spot in the money line and everybody that you know, so that way they have access to everybody who joins after them. Remember, there's somebody joining every minute. These are all people that have joined and sent out messages. And you can see by the colors here, okay, up at the top here, you know, these are all the diamond people, okay? The diamonds all go at the top. Then after the diamonds go the platinums, okay? And that's this color here. Then after the platinums go the golds, okay? And you can see how you just keep scrolling down. These are golds. There's Tony. Okay, and you keep scrolling down even further after that, and then you get into the silvers, then you get into the bronzes down at the bottom, okay? And then even goes into the others. So you can see how this works, the idea of all we're doing here. It's very simple. This is your money line, okay? In this demo account, there's 118,000 people that have joined, and literally by the minute, it's getting bigger. And keep in mind, there's people that have even more than this, okay? This is just a demo account put up for this video. There's some out there with even more than 118,000 that have been in for a while. And everybody's joining one right after another. You have access to them. You can send a 150 character message out to them and it shows up over here. It's that simple. That's all that's going on. It's a very simple product to use. Okay, now, what is the philosophy here? What are you trying to do? You're trying to go out and message all of these people so when they click, okay, let's go over here. When they click on this ad over here, okay, they click on it, it pops up on the screen and it shows the ad over here. Then that goes into the personal list right here. So every time somebody clicks on your message, okay, it goes into your personal list over here, all right? Let me give you another idea. Every time you click on somebody, here's the secret sauce. Are you ready? Every time you click on somebody's ad over here, okay? Here's Frank. Every time you click on somebody's ad, it goes into your personal list. It's all about building this personal list, folks, because remember, if you don't have a list, you're not making no money. It's all about the list. If you have a massive list, and that's what MoneyLine does for you, it builds a list for you for pennies on the dollar. You can literally do it free if you want to move real slow, okay? But if you want to move quickly, it's all about the subscriptions, and that's what I want to go into now. I'm going to go back to the dashboard here, okay? And I want to give you just a brief tour of how the dashboard works. First of all, this is the video you're watching right here, okay? You've already set up your link to get it out to everybody you know. I mean, you can see in the last 2 minutes I've talked to you, it's went up by 2, okay? This is real time. Guess what? Here's your subscriptions right here, and here's where you buy them. It's that simple. You click on subscriptions. I'm just going to briefly go through this. It gives you an idea. Here's a free subscription, okay? Here's a bronze. See these little video links? Click on them. Here's the silver. Here's the gold. It shows you every single subscription in a video of exactly what you're getting and where you want to start. Now, let me give you a little advice. Here's some more secret sauce for you. I would at least start at the silver, okay? At least start at the silver. And why is that? You notice how I showed you over here the diamonds are at the top, okay? And then it goes the platinums. And look at where all the silvers are, clear down, or excuse me, all the bronzes are, the $20, clear down at the bottom, right? Guess what? When you go search on Google, do you go to page 26 to get your information or page 1? Of course you do. You go to page 1 right at the top. So obviously the higher you subscribe, the more action you're going to get, the faster your personal list is going to build, the more exposure you're going to get globally all around the world. Now, I'll go back to the dashboard here. I'm not telling you to buy anything. You don't have to. I'm just giving you a little bit of advice that the higher that you subscribe, bronze, silver, gold, the faster your personal list is going to build. Okay? Now, let's talk a little bit more about the personal list real quick while I'm on that topic. You see here, now this is a personal list for free. There happens to be 2,100 personal contacts in there, give or take. And you can go through here, as you can see, and you can click on this and put click here, refresh, and it's going to bring all of your personal list to the top of people that you haven't responded to yet. See how they're blue, which means they're all brand new people. And you can click on them. Okay, we can go down here and click on Carol. Carol's bronze. And you can go over here and send Carol a personal message and talk to her. Okay, but guess what? If you go clear up to the diamond level, they have what's called diamond tools. I'm just giving you a taste for the top here, okay? Do you see here? You can put these in different folders, okay? You can mass message everybody. I mean, you can literally build a list for pennies on the dollar. It's all done for you globally, real time. These are buyer leads, okay? These are people out there. Here, let me refresh again over here on the list and bring all the people up to the top. There are brand new messages out there. Click the button here. See, they're brand new. I can go click check all, okay? And I can go message all these people with just the click of a button. See how simple that is? These are people that have spent money. These aren't just clicks you're buying for traffic like you find out there. These are people that have spent money. Okay, 20 bucks, 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 250 bucks, diamonds up here for 500 bucks. These are buyer leads from all around the world in multiple languages. I don't even have the translator up here on this video, but literally you can translate into multiple languages. I'm telling you, the value of MoneyLion is unmatched. Now do you understand why there's people signing up every minute? The faster you get in, the more you're going to have in your MoneyLion. Okay. Let's finish up the video here because I told you I want to take a few minutes here to navigate. There's a subscription. It's going to tell you all about them. You can watch videos. Then you simply click here to buy. For time reasons, I'm not going to go through that. You just point and click and walk right through it. It's super simple. Let me scroll down a little bit because there's all kinds of stuff down here, okay? If you want to earn with MoneyLion, go down here and click on Earn with MoneyLion. All right, it's going to show you how, two different videos here. It's going to show you how the compensation plan works. You notice here it says not MLM. All right, it's not MLM. There's only one payment sent out on every single retail sale. Okay, one payment sent out. There's no overrides. There's not multiple people paid. There's one single payment payout. It's squeaky clean legally. It's globally. It's set up that way. You know why? Because MoneyLion is focused on the product and the value of the product. But there's videos here. There's explanation here that shows exactly how everything works with the opportunity so you can earn direct cash payments right to the processor of your choice. It's a P2P platform. It's state-of-the-art global. I mean, literally, you can have payments coming in real time from all around the world. There's videos later that show all that. These are hot topics. You know, this is a video we were just at. I'm going to move my cursor here. There's all kinds of testimonials in here of people that have been extremely successful with MoneyLion, not only with the product, but also with earning with MoneyLion. Here's a button you can contact your referrer. Just click on this, okay, and it'll take you right out there so you can contact your referrer and ask them questions. In other words, you have support here. You have help here to be able to help you build your organization or build your list. Some people have no interest in building income here. That's fine. They just want to use the product with their opportunity. So if you're building some kind of home-based business out there, and you want to just focus on making money with that by having MoneyLion build your list for you, that's perfectly fine, okay? Some people choose to share their link so they can build an income with MoneyLion. What if all you did is share your link and it helped you pay for your diamond to get clear to the top so you had no cost in MoneyLion whatsoever? What if that duplicated over and over and over? You can see why MoneyLion is building so quickly. For instance, look at Stuart, boy, he's getting some big time advertising here. He's literally I don't even know Stuart, okay? He's literally getting on the company video at the beginning for all the free subscribers. You see all these people, tell me it doesn't pay, okay, to be at the top. Here's the all-time leaderboard, okay? Scroll down here. Here's today's leader. This is how many people, okay, they've went out and shared their link, okay, to get people to sign up for free, just like you did. Let me scroll down here and give a little press time to these people that are on here, all right? Here's a little exposure. These are the top people. You see these names out here? These are people that go out there every day and they share their link. So let's scroll on down real quick here. The top 100. Okay, I don't want to take too much time here because I want to keep the video short, okay? But it gives you an idea as you scroll down. You can go on and on and on and on and on, okay? It gives you an idea of all the people out there getting their link out. I mean, it's really a cool, fun business because, see, you can lead with free, everybody. People don't have to spend tons of money here. They can literally get in for free and just check it out. And it's gold ad. Guess what? When somebody clicks on that gold ad, Stuart just got a lead. It went into his personal list. See how simple that is? It's all about building a list. All right, I want to end with this. I want to finish up here because I want to keep this video short. When you're a free subscriber, when you log in, you'll see a little clock right up here, and it's saying, hey, you've got over the next 24 hours, if you want your money line to keep going up, for the first 3 days, it's a grace period, okay? And they let it build, so you can get a flavor for it. You can get time to go over here and go through all the different buttons, communications, financial, leaderboards. There's banner ads in here you can use. There's a genealogy. Here's the support button if you got questions. It'll give you time to go through all these different things, okay? It's really cool. You know, go up here, you can click on Facebook or the Twitter. You can go read what other people are saying. There are thousands of testimonials out there of people loving Global Moneyline. You know, do your due diligence here. This thing is for real. It's long term, okay? But here's the key. For the first 3 days, they give you a grace period where this is going to keep building. After that, as long as you go out and put in one person for free, which means get your link out, and if somebody signs up for free, then your money line keeps building. Or if you don't want to mess with that every day to make sure somebody gets in for free every day to keep your money line building so you can use the service here, all you got to do is click on buy a subscription, and for the $20 bronze, the lowest package, if you buy the $20 bronze, then the clock goes away, that whole page goes away, and your money line just keeps building every day, day after day. Because remember, the $20 is a one-time. It's a one-time $20. I mean, you cannot beat that value. Think about it. And then you don't have to mess with worrying about did you get somebody in free each day to keep your money line going up. So I highly suggest not only, okay, I'm going to click on this button one more time, not only getting the bronze so your clock is out of the way and you don't have to worry about it, but at least start at the silver, okay? And you saw when I first clicked on the money line, the silver ads come up. Here's why. Is because it's all about exposure, and the higher you are, the more ads you have out there, the more leads you're going to get, okay? And later, there's more videos out there as you progress in Moneyline. Like once you become a customer, okay, this video goes away and you're going to have more videos. You're going to have more training. You're going to have more things that are going to show you exactly how to work the business, how to get more leads, you know, how to build relationships and not just spam people. It's really a cool business. So once again, everybody, thanks for taking a few minutes here and checking out Moneyline. We truly appreciate having you on the team. And here's the old saying, hurry, get in line, your money line. That's what it's all about. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks, everybody.